Vacancy in my heart, I can't tell you how it started. Running around in my mind, trying to find the day it all departed. Knock, knock on the door, no one's home. Knock, knock on the door, I'm alone by myself. Fighting these demons by myself. Never used to like being by myself, but it's much easier these days. And I pray, ask why, I don't hear an answer. Lift my head to the sky, hope to God the gray is clearer. I can't give you an explanation. Every word has lost formation. I use any energy I got to find something to say. Every ounce that ever was is simply gone away. Don't even know where to begin to try to find where there is, but
having depression and just feeling depressed. Almost everyone feels down from time to time. Then circumstances change, and those sad feelings disappear. Clinical depression is different. It won't go away just because you want it to. A low mood, loss of interest in things you normally enjoy, changes in appetite, feeling worthless or excessively guilty, sleeping either too much or too little, poor concentration, weakness or slowness, loss of energy. And because depression symptoms are intangible, it's hard. You might look fine, but is actually struggling, and they shouldn't expect themselves to just get over it any more than they could will themselves with a broken arm. If you haven't experienced depression yourself, avoid comparing it to times you felt down. What they're experiencing to normal, temporary feelings of sadness can make them feel guilty for struggling.
I see, for the first time.